Hi everybody, it's Janabelle from East Coast Mommy, and I have some last minute Valentine's Day treat ideas for you. You are going to love how easy these ideas are. So let's get started.
First up is a simple idea that will impress your Valentine. Grab some strawberries, wash them, and make sure that they are really dry. We're going to be dipping them in chocolate, and if they're not dry, then the chocolate won't stick. Then we're going to make the strawberries heart-shaped. Just cut them in half, and when you're cutting off the top, make a little V and just kind of trim it into a heart. It's as easy as that. It doesn't have to be perfect, and it looks super cute. Keep going until you have a whole tray full of hearts. Then you're going to want some chocolate for dipping. I like this semi-sweet block of chocolate. I broke up a bunch of it and then I heated it up in a double boiler. You can do it in the microwave, but I find it more foolproof to do it in the double boiler because the chocolate doesn't heat up too quickly and it won't seize. I boil some water in a pot, and then I take the chocolate, which is in a heat-resistant bowl, and set it on top of the water, and I just keep stirring until it's fully melted. Then carefully remove your melted chocolate from the heat source, put some skewers in the hearts, dip them in the chocolate, and set them on a piece of wax paper to set. Cute, right? You can also dip other things in chocolate. Here I take some salted cashews, I put them in the chocolate, stir them up, scoop them out, and set them on a piece of wax paper to set. Alternatively, you could take some little mini cookies, put them in the chocolate, scoop them out with a fork to kind of help drain the chocolate off of them, and then you can add some sprinkles or leave them plain. And once you have everything together, you can put together a little tray. I have a heart-shaped dish full of candy. I add my dipped strawberries, and then I start putting some chocolates, the homemade ones, and a few that I bought from the store. And you have an impressive Valentine's Day tray that is handmade, easy, and super impressive. Happy Valentine's Day! If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to see future videos like this. Thanks so much.